What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kay with the friendly reminder for today. This reminder is going to be about setting achievable goals and sticking to them. All right. I hope you guys are having a great day today. I hope everything is going your way and you're getting your life back on track and everything is kosher. So, setting achievable goals and sticking to them is a key factor in achieving success in any area of life. Whether it's a personal goal, career goal, or health goal, these are some steps that can help you set achievable goals, stay committed to achieving them. All right, the first thing you want to do is start with a clear and specific goal. Get you a book, journal, wherever you write down your goals and make them clear and specific. The first step in setting achievable goals is to be clear about what you want to achieve. Avoid vague or generic goals and instead focus on some specific outcomes that you want. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, say, I want to lose 10 pounds in 2 months, something like that. You want to make sure that goal is achievable. While it's important to aim high, it's equally important to set your goals that they are achievable. Because if you don't, then you're gonna lose focus. It's gonna seem too drastic, too much for you over a certain amount of time. Yeah, if you set them too unrealistic, you might just give up. You might get discouraged. So make sure your goals are challenging but still within reach. Break the goal into a smaller, manageable steps. Break it into steps. Once you have a clear and achievable goal, break it down into smaller and manageable steps. So it can appear that the goal is less daunting and it may help you be motivated, stay motivated. So if your goal is to run a marathon, break it down into weekly training plans that gradually build up your endurance. Then you want to create a plan. So once you have broken down your goal into smaller steps, you want to create a plan to achieve each step. Set deadlines for each step and create a schedule to keep yourself on track. Make sure that you have all the resources you need, such as time, money, and equipment. So make sure you have everything there for you and ready. Stay motivated. Staying motivated is the key to achieving your goals. Keep your motivation high by reminding yourself of why you set the goal in the first place. Find ways to reward yourself for achieving each step and surround yourself with supportive people who will encourage you. Then you want to track your progress. You want to track your progress because it's very, very important as you work towards your goals. This will help you stay motivated. It'll give you a sense of accomplishment as you achieve each step. So you want to use your journal, your planner, your app. Like with me, I have my Fitbit. It takes down everything that I do. It helps me track my progress on everything. So then you want to always have room to tweak your plan, adjust it as necessary. So because sometimes, you might go off plan. You might go astray, but as long as you have that plan, you can bounce back to it when it's time for you to do that. When you finally just say, okay, wait, where did I go wrong? You'll have that plan to look back on. And then you want to celebrate your achievements. Every time that you achieve a goal, celebrate it. Pat yourself on the back, give yourself something, reward yourself for your hard work. Take time to reflect, on whatever you learned along the way. You want to then, I mean, toot your own horn. Hell, shit, why not? If you accomplished all your goals, then feel free to bless yourself. With that being said, then you want to set a new goal and repeat, you know. So those are a couple of steps for you guys. Once you don't set your goals, start with a clear, specific goal. Make sure your goal is achievable. Break it into smaller, manageable steps. Create a plan. Stay motivated. Track your progress. Adjust your plan if necessary. Tweak it. Celebrate your achievements. And you'll be at your goal in no time. And this has been your girl, Kay, with another friendly reminder. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. And don't forget to cut your notifications on so you can get each and every one of my videos. I'm uploading regularly, so they're coming out. All right, y'all. Later.